start on the goals to be done at 10 o'clock.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at my local RC track and we have two new buggies that came out tonight, the new associated B74. So here's one, unfortunately I didn't realize before we ran, but so they're a little bit dirty. Anyway, this is a new B74 all set up. Really nice hardware how they've built these out. And the unique thing about them is this rear hub design, how this is all fully adjustable here by the shims that you put in. So they're good. All right, and here's the second B74. And did you, when you built that rear hub, did you do it to box stock specs? Because that's the thing that has a lot of adjustment on it, right?
Yeah, well this is Raymond Day setup. So you run in Australia, and their track is not as high traction as in the US, so...
Okay, it's Raymond Day setup. This is an interesting piece, this cross-brace carbon fiber up front here.
Supposed to be a body pin there.
And you filed it down? Yeah. Okay, so you filed down the front body pin. Yeah, nice. Oh, it is.
It is. Where it's going though. So.
Yeah. Nice one. I haven't seen one in person yet, so. And I'm not really even that familiar with the 64 to know how much is different, but it looks like everything's moved forward again. Right? Was everything that forward before?
Over there.
That's a 64?
Yeah, it's not.
That's very similar.
Yeah.
But
more plastic.
I think what's different is the build quality, the materials that they use on the new 74 is better. Yeah. But we were just talking about what you don't get. So you don't get any Loctite, you don't get any lubrication for doing the shocks, you don't get rims.
You do have some number of shocks. One, like just some 35. Okay. One for diffs, so 10K for everywhere. But you like to run more in the stiffer in the front.
You get 10K front and rear.
Yeah.
And then slipper clutch for the center, right?
Yeah, it doesn't come with the.
Yeah. Okay. And then what do they give you for shock oil? Do you remember?
35.
35 weight for shock oil.
I went 37.30.
Okay. Here's the underside of the chassis. And this is his nice body, and he uses he markers up his rims so they look like 5 spokes, which is pretty cool. Anyway, we'll get some shots of it running next. Alright guys, I'm going to try and get some new shots of this B74. There it goes. Oh no. This is the new B74 coming around. Team Associated B74.
A little bit of a rough start there. We're going to draw. Oh, John needs some marshals and he's pipe.
Whoa! Slick on the loafers.
Alright, so good run time, 13 laps, 5.3.
Yeah, I got TQ in this run, so they're trying to knock me off. See how this new car does. Whoa, it looks like he's still just learning the handling a little bit.
After this is short course.
4 minutes left.
And after that we go into the two-wheel drive buggies. Then we break again, then we start on the goals to be done at 10 o'clock. So 1 minute and 15 seconds are down now with 2 minutes and 25 to go.
It is difficult to learn a new car. They all handle a little bit different. And you got to learn how to tweak them, how to tune them.
12501, Jack on the 12502, Garrett 12509, Zone 11523, Joel 11527. They took it a step there for a second, I think. Here comes Darren. He's got the first car. The second place car is Jordan. Jack was in third, guys. If you see Jack, let him go by, he's in third. Jordan goes front, then Jake, then Jack, then Dara, then John, then Joel. He's all over.
3 minutes left.
Well, thanks for viewing.
Here's the other B74. Just getting some shots of it on my phone while I can. There's only a few seconds left in this race.
Oh my God. Yeah, he sent it. Brian sent it, and that was his chance. What we got here? We're going to finish it.
Car 1 is done. Car 3 is done. Car 6 is done.
Brian, you up at the end there, John.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.